Sarah, you're a witness. It's the defense attorney's job to prove that you're a rotten witness because you've got a rotten character.
Oh, I've got a rotten character. Well, you ain't gonna defend me because you think I'm some sort of slut.
I didn't say that.
Will those bastards go to jail?
Is that what you want?
I want those motherfuckers put away forever.
I have loved you the way they said.
Why are you saying all this?
Because I love you.
Yes, of course. I love you too.
Or maybe I love you that way. The way they said I loved you.
Mother, we're both so tired. Please don't.
I have loved you the way they said.
Stop that crazy talk.
No. I always knew there was something wrong. Always, for as long as I can remember, but I never knew it until all this happened.
I won't listen
No,
to
you're
you.
afraid of hearing it, but I'm more afraid than you. I've got to tell you I'm guilty.
You are guilty of nothing.